Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today I'm going to make a recipe which is vermicelli Chinese noodles. These are very tasty, a bit spicy, but children love it. So let's begin. Now, so for this I have taken a kadhai and I'm going to add some water to it, and then we are going to take 1 cup of roasted vermicelli. I have roasted it already in 1 tablespoon of ghee, and now I'm going to put this and I'm going to boil this vermicelli for 10 minutes. So let's boil this vermicelli. I'm also going to put a half teaspoon of salt to this, and I'm also going to put a little bit of olive oil to this, and now I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. It's been almost 7 minutes and you can see that our vermicelli is getting cooked in this boiling hot water. It's like this. I have kept it a half cooked because I'll be cooking it further with all the other masala. So do not overcook this. It's a tip I'm giving you. Just cook it half. So it's a 1 boil that has come, and now I'm going to stop my flame and then we are going to rinse this. My vermicelli is looking like this, okay, and now let's make the masala for this noodles. Let's cook. Now I've taken a pan and I'm going to put my chili oil. I generally use chili oil for cooking when I'm cooking Chinese, so I'm going to put around 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili oil. You can take any chili oil from the market, and if you don't have that, then that's not a problem. You can heat up a little bit of oil at your home and put in red chili powder, and then just strain it. Even that oil will become a chili oil then. Now let's heat this up, and first thing that we are going to put is chopped garlic. Heated. Now I'm putting chopped garlic, around 2 tablespoons. To this I'm adding some green chilies. Your flame should be low. I don't want my garlic to burn, so keep your flame low. Fry this till the raw smell of the garlic goes off, and then we will add onions and capsicum. Now I want to tell you one thing, that you can even add carrots if you want to. Today I have not added them. So I'll be adding onions, capsicum, and a bit of corn. I like corn also sometimes, but that's optional, you can skip it. So let's fry this for 2 minutes till the raw smell goes. To this I'm going to add my onions. You can chop the onions or you can put sliced onions also as per your wish. So around 2 medium onions we are going to put right now. And now we are going to cook them just for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to make it brown. It has to be transparent, translucent, and this point my gas is also on high, and I'm also going to add my capsicum inside it right away, and I'll be keeping this capsicum a little bit crunchy also. They will not be overcooked. In Chinese cooking we have to keep the vegetables crunchy. At this point we'll also put salt, and then we will put all the wet sauces. So let's cook this, fry this on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's been like 2 minutes and I'm going to add the different types of sauce. So first I'm going to put soya sauce. I don't put soya sauce much because it gives that dark color. Then chili vinegar. Then I'm going to put Szechuan sauce. Szechuan sauce you can put as per your taste, around 1 to 2 tablespoons, and I'm also going to sprinkle a bit of a chili flakes. If you like, you can also put half a teaspoon of red chili powder. And now we are going to mix all this. At this point my gas is still on high and the vegetables are crunchy. They are not yet overcooked, so it's good. And now what we can do is we need to add our vermicelli immediately, because we don't want the vegetable to be overcooked. So I'm adding my vermicelli that I had kept, and now we will mix this all nice. Now this is how our vermicelli Chinese noodles are looking, and we are still going to mix them. The gas flame is on low now. At this point you can taste the consistency of your sauce and all. So now at this point you can plus minus the sauce. You can add if you want soya sauce or Szechuan sauce or chili sauce. Now we'll cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes and our vermicellis are ready. Chinese vermicelli spicy noodles with a twist, Indian twist. So this is how they are. See, this is how they look. Ready to serve and eat.